Hey there, welcome back to NPTressTreats TV. It's your girl Alicia here, and today I'm gonna give you a quick breakdown of wait for it, the Silver Roses My Best Hair Kit. So the My Best Hair Kit is everything you need to live your best hair life. So actually to make every hair day your most amazing hair day. And so our My Best Hair Kits includes a bonnet, a scarf, and a scrunchie. So the silver one, the Silver Roses My Best Hair Kit includes a silver bonnet, a silver scrunchie, and then the navy Roses on Roses scarf. So what I like most about the My Best Hair Kit, and actually why I created it, is because it's like it gives you so many options for your nightly hair routine and your daytime routine. So basically you can use you can use your scarf right at nighttime, depending on, you might want to just do it like this, right? Something to this effect, right? To lay your edges, smooth your edges, and then throw your bonnet on top. You might want to put your hair in a pineapple and do it that, and do your scarf that way, put your bonnet on top. You just might want to sleep with the bonnet. You might want to cover your pillowcase, which I always recommend, especially when you travel, to cover. I mean, you can see I have the September scarf on that pillow right there. So you might want to do that. There's so many options. You can do so many fun styles with this scarf. I mean, if you want to wear the scarf during the day or your bonnet at night, I mean, so many options are endless. That's why I created the My Best Hair Kit, because I mean, why not, right? It's everything you need to live your best hair life. So like I said, have fun with it. This is the Silver Roses. The Silver Roses My Best Hair Kit. And I just kind of threw this style together just for fun, just because, just to show you like one of the many scarf styles you can do with the scarf. So Silver Roses, the sizing options are child, regular, medium, and BAB. Just remember, the sizing refers to the part that holds your hair, not the size of the band. The band is about 21 and a half. I'm sorry. The band is about 20 and a half, 21 inches. And again, bonnet, scrunchie, and scarf. The scarf it's pretty large. Just so you can see, it's about 35 by 35 inches. So that is the Silver Roses My Best Hair Kit. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at info@NPTressTreats.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have the best day. Love ya.